What's going on, guys? It's Justin here with Summit Racing, and we're here with Grant from FTI Transmissions, and he's going to tell us about the really cool transmission package that they're bringing to the market. So, Grant, how are you doing today? How's your PRI show going?
I'm doing great. This is my first one. I'm really enjoying it. It's larger than life, that's for sure. It's been really cool to get out here, see all the different faces in the industry. Everybody that we've talked to on the phone, now we can put a face with the voice. So it's been great so far.
Yeah, that is the cool part about coming to shows like this. Is it's a bunch of we're all car people, so it's it's nice to see other people that are into the same thing, and like you said, put names with faces, shake hands, not just over a computer screen.
Exactly.
So you guys are bringing a transmission package to market through Summit. You want to tell us a little bit about it?
Absolutely. So it's an exclusive offer, only available through Summit. What we're doing here is we're putting together our Turbo 400 Level 4, okay, and we're making it a package deal to make it a one-stop shop, easier bundle, basically a bundle for the racer. It's going to include your Level 4 400. It's going to have all the things that you can already get with it. It's going to have your trans brake, your deep aluminum pan. It's also going to come with a 12-inch stack plate cooler lines. It's also going to come with our street strip converter, which is a SST, rated up to 1,000 horsepower. So this kit compared together, you also get some of our proprietary transmission fluid that Daytona One specifically designed for us in our units. So it's going to be a 3-gallon racer pack of that. So it's going to be everything that you're going to need to put together your hot rod, your street strip car, even a mud truck. It'll fit all those different applications and just make it a lot easier for the consumer to say, hey, they've already paired this converter with this transmission and it's all ready to go. It makes it easy and convenient.
By you guys putting it together in a really convenient package, saves a lot of people time, and I think people are going to love it and super appreciate that.
I think so too. I completely agree. Sometimes, the consumer will want to, like you said, piece things together and not really know what converter to be paired with the transmission. Well, we've kind of taken that element out of it for the consumer and say, hey, we know that this is going to work with this horsepower range, and it's going to cover your nitrous because we already got an anti-ballooning plate and a billet back, so it's already a high quality converter. So you shouldn't have any issues with it at all.
So if you guys are interested in one of these transmission packages, head over to summitracing.com or one of our 4 retail store locations. And if you're not sure exactly what you need or have questions about it, call into our customer service line and the folks over there will be able to get you taken care of. So I'm Justin with Summit Racing. We have Grant here with FTI Converters. We appreciate you taking the time to talk to us and enjoy the rest of the show.